So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace a clip on the Premiere Pro timeline just by keeping their effect that you have applied on that, or everything that you have applied on that. Now, for example, if I show you, let's say this clip, I applied multiple effects over there like Bob stabilizer and the channel volume as well. Now, if I want to replace this clip but want all of these effects on the video as well, just simply press and hold alt on your keyboard. Now once you do it, and just simply drag and drop the clip over the old clip, and let's say for example, if I drag and drop this one to there, you'll notice that the clip has been changed, but the effects are right there. Similarly, I can do it with any over there or any other clips as well. Just simply press and hold alt on your keyboard, or command, if in case you are using a Mac, and drag it to the old clip, and it will apply all the effects on them on the new clips as well. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.